in Ouro Preto, going into one of the oldest and biggest gold mines in the world. And you can see here, this is very, very interesting. And the technology is for sure not CE certified. So this is from 1937, but gold mine is 300 years old. This is a place where, of course, it's more dangerous than German engineers would accept, or American lawyers would find quickly a way to make money out of this. But that's really that people very happy, and maybe something happened sometime, but probably thousands of people went in and they were very, very, very happy with this experience. Another city in the north where it's the Mecca of gemstones. I was just passing and look at this, what I'm seeing here on the side of the road. It's a capybara. Look at this. I don't know. And they're probably swimming in this dirty river here. Huh? Yeah, beautiful. Huh? right along the road. Ouro Bridge, and here on the other side you see Sugarloaf, and here the Christ, and it's rush hour. The other side is full. We are going into Rio now, and you see there's also a lot of ships coming in here.
Pra cá, parei num restaurante, mas é lá perto disso, tem um pouco bastante. Aí eles alimentam, deixa água,
He can give. I'm more interesting. Here's another one. How about these? heliport close to the Corcovado up there.
Não é diferente de ninguém.
So very beautiful view from here. There is the honeymoon beach is there. Copacabana is over there, and that's like a little lake inside inside the town. And then almost the same size. Look at this. It's a cemetery right in downtown, and over there the sugar loaf, the Onazuka. It's really breathtaking here. And over there is the botanical garden. We'll go there now in a moment. He does not even mind there. Look at this. Hummingbird so close. You can almost touch him. He doesn't care. Look at this. See, they become more and more, because they know here. See, they don't care. They don't care, Deborah. Look at this. So now we are here in Buizios. Let's cheers. Cheers. So that's a little north of Rio. Half an hour. And look at this view here. It's just a cruise liner right now.